Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on the Zangi app, whether you are on Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First, check if Zangi has permission to use your microphone. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Zangi. Go to Permissions and make sure microphone option is enabled. If it's not allowed, tap allow and restart the app. Next, open your phone's voice recorder or camera app and record a short clip to see if the microphone works elsewhere. If it does not, it's likely a hardware issue with your mic. Third step, update the app. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Search for Zangi and tap update if available. Updates often include bug fixes that solve microphone or audio problems. And if the mic still does not work, clear the app cache. For that, again, go to settings and in this app info page for Zangi, scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache and clear data if needed. Then reopen the app and test again. And as a final fix, uninstall Zangi, restart your phone and reinstall the app. Then log back in and test your microphone. This usually resolves most issues. And that's it. Your Zangi microphone issue should now be fixed. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech solutions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.